What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the installation or download error of Roblox or to apply critical settings on Roblox error. So first you need to search for the run application here on the taskbar and then you need to open it, and from here you just need to write percentage local app data and then percentage again. After that hit OK. And after hitting OK, here the new window will appear. From here you just need to search for Roblox. After and finding the Roblox folder, you just need to double click on it to open the Roblox folder, and after that you just need to select all the version files of your Roblox folder, and then you need to delete them. And after deleting, just need to close that window and then you need to reinstall the Roblox and refresh it, and that will solve your problem. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.